Everybody, I am back in action. Hope you missed me. It's been about 2 months since I posted a video, but I am back. Today I'm here working on correcting all the things for the building permit inspection. A lot of small stuff, but I hope to get it all taken care of today, as well as put up 20 rolls of insulation. We'll see how far that gets. I bought 20 rolls the other day, and I'm here today to put them up. As far as the past 2 months goes, had some major life changes. Some of you can probably imagine what I'm talking about, others won't know. And then I've also been doing some other real estate deals. So in about 3 months ago, I started the process of looking at another house, and since then, about 2 months ago, I bought it, and then over the past month and a half or so, I renovated that house. It wasn't a huge deal, but I went ahead and got that one all wrapped up, and then getting back on this one. Sometimes that's just the way it is. You know, you're working on one thing, an opportunity pops up. If all I did is focused on this one house, I would have passed up on that deal. I own this house outright cash, so it's not costing me anything to sit here. There's the missed rent that I'm getting, but overall, long term, it was better for me to do what I did. And it was a little more to it than just simply wanting another rental house. So all those videos have already been filmed, so that'll be kind of neat. Once I start posting those videos, it's all done already, so I'm going to be able to just release those videos on kind of a consistent intervals and show you the progress on that house. Then we will move on to the farmhouse. So I'm hoping to be back on this one consistently. That life change that I referred to is going to demand a little bit of my time, and I can't guarantee anything, but I'm going to do the best I can. So let's go ahead and get to today's work and see how far I get. We're starting off here in the bathroom, and one thing that the inspector told me I had to do, which I thought was weird, was put in these 5x8, he just said really 6 inches, but this is what size I could get, over top all of the floor and ceiling penetrations for plumbing and electric. Meaning where this pipe goes through the floor or the ceiling, I've got to put a plate that big to protect it against when drywall's going in to where no nails poke it. So I'm going to go ahead and get all those in. I would much rather have just used nail plates over the bottom, but that's not enough for them, so I'm just doing what they want me to do. Another thing I can correct is needs to be some sort of fire stopping material, draft prevention or whatever it's called. And for that he said anything that'll stop airflow, so just some insulation tucked into those holes he said would be fine. So I'm just going to take a stick and tuck insulation around where all of the uninsulated walls have penetrations through the ceiling. Should have done it before I put these plates up.
All the insulation is now up. The air is full of fiberglass dust, so I'm leaving my mask on and I'm going to show you around. This is the living room. It's nighttime now. Using the generator. And then this light I got here. It's a very cool light. LED. But you can see all the dust in the air. That's why I got to leave my mask on right now. All the walls, ceilings. I got to come back in and pull the nails off the joists. Kitchen. This is the utility room. Still got to put that piece there. I just got something else I want to do, and I need to pull this piece off below it because I need to run the wires for the heat pump. Bedroom. This wire. So bedroom, attic access, that'll give a door, an insulated door, and then the bathroom. The other thing I did is I wired up the fan and the light together. So when you turn the light on, the fan turns on automatically. Also added a switch to the closet light. because code doesn't let you have a full chain light anymore, apparently. And I did some other stuff, metal plates and whatnot, but this should get me to pass the inspection. For those of you that are wondering, R13, the new code is R15, but I have center block walls which have an R value of about 2, so I'm hoping I skate by. I did not mean to do this. I didn't know R15 was the new norm. Just the way it is. I've got R19 in the ceiling plus all that blow-in insulation, so that gets me up to over R38, which is code. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.